With his army, he'd won many a battle. But this one was different. So his peasants left him on the floor to yell and bleed. Another good story to tell, so it seemed. Then one day they'd realized their fatal mistake. The king, now dead, burned himself at the stake. All of his Once upon a time there was a powerful king. He ruled half the world. He ruled half of everything. I mean, some really loved him. Some really liked him. It must be really them. What's up, Lo-Fi? Once upon a time there was a powerful king. He ruled half the world. He ruled half of everything. All of his knights, Sir Knight, say, "Where art thou? With your fancy sword and your Turkish bow. Please, Sir Knight, make the king feel superior. And while you're at it, call in the fiddler." All of these questions and all of his might couldn't help the king with his deep internal fight. With his army, he'd won many a battle. But this one was different. Bam! How are you? How are you, Lo-Fi? Bam, 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 bam. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Lo-Fi. I didn't even realize that. What's up, Liz Lee? What's up, Liz? Liz the goat. What do you mean by that, Lo-Fi? Long day? You got stupid or what? I don't think anybody's dumb in the world. Then one day they'd realize their fatal mistake. King, not dead, burned himself at the stake. All of his questions and all of his might couldn't help the king with his deep internal fight. So I'm gonna be like white noise. That's pretty cool. I would love to be white noise. Ba-dum, 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 get out of my head. Bam, bam, do, bam, bam. Oh wait, what? Another day? Oh, now you. Well, now I don't feel so good anymore. I feel like I'm taking away your time. It's my ignorance, just manufactured dread. What's up, Lo-Fi? Another day, nothing much to say. I can't help but cry. Stand devoutly, tell me what about me is built so wrong.
Hello there are rationally irrational and hyperactive yet calm snow brick.
What's up, frog? What's up, Q? Oh, then that's good, I guess, that I came by. Oh, by the way, they started teaching us arrays at, yeah, at our thingy, and then yeah, I know what arrays are now and the multi-level ones and those things. Yep. Can you take a look and say you like what I've got inside? That was mentioned. Oh, nice. Ba-dum, ba-dum. Well, I don't know what that means, low key. The Beyblade does not know me, and I do not know the Beyblade like that. Another day. Oh, that's nice. Very, very cool. No, I think they were just making like a comment. I don't think it's anything romantic. Can you take a look and say you like what I've got inside? Ooh. My ignorance is manufactured dread when not by myself. No romance for you? There's romance for everybody. What do you mean? As they learn basic stuff. Now that makes me feel bad about myself as well. Man, I really can't do these stupid fucking things. Like, man, I wanted to try and do some programming today. If I could, then I would. If I like, have the time later, maybe I'll do some programming. Cause I wanna like make this make this the game that I was working on, like not like a game, but like the little like project I had in the back that me and my friend would just add on to. I want to like update it with my current knowledge. And then I'll just keep on updating it until I graduate. And then by the end, I'll see if I have like something presentable. If I even make it to the end. Okay, I think that's good enough. I really don't want to work on the under part anymore. I'm asking why can't you on-stream programming? I mean, on-stream programming is fine, but I want to like do some art for now in stream. Like after I'm done doing the stuff that I want to do, then then I'm fine with like goofing off. You feel me? Oh, that would definitely end bad. That's fine. That's fine that they canceled that. I'm glad that's well. Now I'm just like imagining you getting pulled towards the machine because you know magnets and shit. Literally, is it true that everybody there in Germany has day offs on Sunday? Damn. Oh yeah, I forgot you were both from Germany. My bad. I should have been asking the both of you. Like, well, I mean, I not everybody has day off on Sunday. There's like other people who have them on like Friday or like Saturday. Like it like varies depending on like the job that you're working over here. I just found out about it earlier because my like somebody I know from school mentioned it. Oh, yeah, that's what I was worried about as well. I asked them like, "Yo, what if you've got like something you need to do and it's a Sunday?" And then like if they're closed, then what happens then? I guess that's what happens. Just gotta tough it out. Ah, fuck. Pam 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 dun 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 dun. I really don't wanna do this for now. Let me just work on something else for now. What do I wanna draw? Right now, let me just. Right now, I can work on this. This. I can probably do this for now. When I'm not by my side. People get paid extra if they have to work on Sundays, I think. Only people in restaurants, cinemas, and stuff have to work here as well. Okay, okay. Oh, I guess since they like run those types of things. Can you take a look? That's pretty cool. They're about to be so fashionista. For real. Pharrell. Man, I really want to make an illustration with a car right now. I'll probably do that next. That's probably the next thing I'm gonna do. Can you take a look and say you like what I've got inside? Bella's better man, a better beak. Put my head upon a running knot. Bird brain, baby, I don't think my head is coming off. Hit me with the flap down, crush into the soft ground. Belly's better, 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 big all week. No, I don't like that. Not at all. Actually, it's fine. My line art saved it. For real, for real. Oh, also, Frog, I haven't worked on the thing I was talking about yet. The thing I was going to write. My bad, OG. I've been, I've been busy procrastinating. No, like it's fine. You've been busy with schoolwork. Dang. I hope you managed to finish all those assignments due. Not grown up enough for this stuff. What car did you decide on? Are you still gonna be looking around? Tough. We all will never be grown enough for anything in the old adult world. True. Also, don't be afraid to be not ready of adulting. There are plenty of adults just pretending to be one. For real. How is things with what going? Opal Crossland? What? Oh, that one. I gotta see again. Again, I gotta see. And that's pretty good. I like that one more. Definitely more. I like that one a lot more than the Hyundai. I just hate those eyes. I hate its fucking eyes. Oh, Frog's exams. I didn't know you had exams. What the hell? I have not been reading anything, I'm sorry. True, Frog. True. Who met trans people IRLs know? IRL? Can't say I have. We're talking about gay people, though. I know a bunch. Trans? Not really. Whoa. Whoa, whoa. Pum pum. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Pum pum. I know you love me. I know you care. You shout whenever, and I'll be there. You are my love. Nah, you're good. You got it. You got it. You got it, Frog. I believe in thyself. It was just as bad in real life, very ugly. Yeah, I hate those fucking eyes, man. I fucking hate the way it looks. Type shit. Type shit. Oh, better be so weak. You failed your exams? Well, that's nothing to. you'll get it back, gamer. You shouldn't think too much about something that's already happened. What you should focus on is what you're gonna do after. Like, how are you gonna bounce back from this, gamer? You can definitely bounce back. 9 out of 50 in history. I mean, you can get back. World War Two. You? Is it World War Two? I have no clue. 1953. At least something to look forward to. Yes. Well, my test is over. I'm doing a Beyblade tournament again. You better. You better. You. It's fine to cry. You can cry your heart out. As long as you don't let that stop you from moving forward. If it makes you feel better, do you want me to tell a story about my friend and about how he got a lower score than you? Because it's like low-key super funny. It's super funny. Yes. I got on in math, best grade in Germany. I have no idea how. I want to hold my head and scream because I can't think. Like, what is that like ironically best grade or like the actual best grade? Okay, so you know binary code, right? Binary code, ones and zeros. Well, in order for computers to put binary, I mean, to put like A's and B's and C's, these things have like an address to them. For example, one A is like 1010, if I'm not mistaken. It's like 64. What is 64? Hold on, let me try. 64, 128, 64, 32, 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. Oh no, wait, yes. Alright, wait, what? Wait, I don't remember. I don't remember. But basically, we learned about binary, right? I'm getting super sidetracked. So basically, we learned about binary, and what happened was one of my friends was struggling with it, but he got it. He's basically good. He was struggling with it, but he got it down. And so during our exams, it was like I think I'm not sure if it was 10 questions or 5, but it was 10 questions that were like, let's say it was 10 questions that were multiple choice. And then the rest were 40 questions based on binary. Like no choices, just based on binary. And so you had to get the binary correct. So what ended up happening was my friend got 1/9 on those multiple choice questions. And then he uh what is it? He ended up miscounting the the addresses to them. So let's say A was like 64. To him A was 65. So what ended up what happening was he was one one digit above the actual score that the actual number that you'd get. So for the rest of the binary that he was supposed to solve, he got none of the questions right because he was one off. And so he ended up getting 1 over 50 in our exams. And yeah, we still laugh about it. And like he low-key just laughed at that shit. And like he still tells the story to our classmates whenever they get like a bad grade. So yeah, I'm like doing what he was doing. I'm doing what he's doing now. That was low-key so funny though. Wait, I'm part of the cool binary club. Yes, sir. Thank you. Everything beyond 0 and 1 is non-binary? Yes, because I mean there's more. There's like hexadecimals, decimals, but you don't need to worry about that unless you're like actually like using computers and stuff. Hello Siri, but binary because binary like two, like 1, 0, and 1 on and off, you feel me? I used to have super low score in history test because the teacher said she couldn't be bothered to even read my answers and just give me a random low mark. That was so stupid. That's so dumb. What? Genuinely, I would be so mad if that happened to me. What the helly? What the hell, man? Look at my perspective. Absolutely egregious. The past is in the past, true. Just gotta look towards the future. You know what Master Uguay said? I forgot what he said, but it was something about the future is a gift, and that's why we call it fuck. The now is a gift. That's why we call it the present. But I thought it was something to do with the future. I misremembered. My bad. I'm tripping. Hello, Danny. Programming is very fun. Incredibox. Is it that one game? It's definitely that one game. We had a math teacher in college who did the same, but for like the whole course, he just rolled the dice, I guess. Man, I guess like that's bad, but low-key that sounds awesome as well. Like letting your fate be in the hands of the dice, just like any good D&D player would, of course. Gotta make it symmetrical. Pharrell. Pharrell. Far out. Long ago, in the age of the ancients. Long ago, in the age of the ancients. Literally, have you played Dark Souls? Have you played Baldur's Gate, Literally, you should play Baldur's Gate. What the helly? Why is my shit? Nice. There we go. That's very good. Long ago, in the age of the ancients. Mm. Got it too. Yes, sir. That's good, right? You are, huh? That's cool, Danny. My fate were on a dice roll, I'd probably be in super hell, super hell by now. I mean, I mean, I can't say you wouldn't be because I feel like you would be, but nothing we can do about that. The dice have spoken, and we can't really argue with the dice. Am I right or am I right? Wait, what? Which one have you played? Dark Souls or Baldur's Gate? Makes me nervous. Everyone hates me. Being a DM is better than being a player, I guess. Yeah. I played so much Souls games that you take a server and I'm tell you what it is. This man's crazy. So students say studying is for the weak. I mean, it's for the scared, if we're all being honest. Studying is for the scared. Oh, okay, talking about Baldur's Gate. Yeah, I mean, it can be not to your liking. I haven't played it. I can't say for certain. Is it turn-based? Oh, it's more like a tabletop rather than a JRPG actually. Maybe I would like it. Maybe I wouldn't. I have a feeling it'd be too much for me. Like too much stuff to look at. Uh Frog, do you know about that lizard that squirts blood from its eyes? I forgot what they were called, but I remember watching a video on them. The dolphins called river dolphins are kind of blind and pink in color that mainly live in rivers. That's pretty. Wait, in rivers? That's pretty cool. My mind is still, my heart is bare. I hold no gods. I make no prayer. I do not yearn for warm embrace. The soul is not a circuit trace. PR? I think butterflies. I feel like to me. How about that, Leslie? Do you know about that lizard? I bet you didn't. Mosaic put of depravity. I wish that I could paint a pretty picture onto everything and leave a mark upon my wall like anything. But maybe that's just an essence of an artist and their legacy. Laying down a sense of it for me. Oh, quick question. Little hero bad. Oh my gosh. So beautiful. Kireides. The stream gives me comfort. That's good to hear. What is that? Is that a game? A poem? Do you guys know Tomino's Hell? Tomino's Hell's very cool. I like Tomino's Hell. Ooh, ooh. Are you gonna catch him on this, Leslie? Are you gonna catch Frog on this? Cause I can. Hmm. Oh, a YouTube video. Okay, it's pretty cool. I like doing this with the bubbles because it makes them look more natural. You feel me? Maybe that's just a me thing. In that case, here that the cop rescued 30 pangolins and proceeded to sell it to a local restaurant. Did they eat the pangolins? That's so cruel. I don't know what's going on. Oh, you didn't catch him on LSLD, but maybe you weren't in the stream because I know Frog said that before when he was talking about when I mentioned like Sandshrew and Sandslash, and then he mentioned the pangolins are like extinct. I mean, not extinct. Like Yeah, he mentioned stuff about pangolins, and yeah, I remember that being the things. Da 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 da. And it can't survive another school day. You can, if you can, like, if you can afford not to go, you can just not go to school. Preferably, you should do it on Friday so that it lasts longer. Oh, a YouTube series. That's pretty cool. Ah, okay. That's not very cool of them to do. I wish that I could paint a pretty picture onto everything and leave a mark upon my own that felt like anything. But maybe that's just an essence of an artist and their legacy, chasing down a sense of infamy. That's pretty cruel, low-key. Very sad to think about. Also, Literally, I heard you guys, and Q, I heard you guys had a bunch of sayings that had to do with sausages. That's very cool if that's true. My memory is like a sleeve. If you could tell me the same three facts all the time, it probably would take weeks to notice. Oh yeah, see you. Siev? Sev. Oh, that's what these are called? I just called them like a strainer or something.
Sieve.
Sieve. Or like, yeah, that's just what it, so they're called sieve. Okay. The cask-headed frog is, I believe, the only venomous frog species. It uses its head to headbutt and inject venom. Their skulls are funky. That's a funky. That's a funky. Looking. That's a funky. That's a funky. Pangolins are goated. They look like real life Sandshrew and Sandslash. Man, can't we have real Pokemon already? Like, I've been waiting for real Pokemon for so long. But I feel like that'd be like animal cruelty, so maybe let's not. I feel like the steps to making Pokemon would go like would have to disregard animal cruelty acts and laws, and leave a mark upon my wall. I bet like anything. I knew it. I didn't know what it was. I knew what the thing it was. Like I didn't know what a sieve was called. I just called it a strainer. But I knew the thing that they were talking about. What's up, Marshall? Meaning it's crunchy time. It goes about the sausage. It really it's crunch time. It really it goes about the sausage. Fucking sausages. Oh, you guys must love your sausages. Do you? Do you love your sausages? I feel like you would. I mean, you have it in a lot of your sayings. I feel like you would. You have to, right? Ooh, I can't fucking stop doing that. To want an extra sausage, to want special treatment. Manga and comic? Manga is stuff that's produced in Japan, usually read from right to left. Comics are produced usually, I mean, I guess America and like everywhere else, I guess. And comics are usually full color, with manga being black and white. But there are some manga that are also full color. Vulture Beast or Rise. You guys know Shin-chan? Chasing Danny and did I actually? No, I did not make it look good. Man, thought, I thought I actually made a hand look good. But we just call it that. Yep, that's what we do. Cause everything is cooler in Japan for real. Oh, that's so good, Marshall. Wait, how did you get? I don't know. Oh, that's pretty good. Good job, gamer. Oh, I actually did it backwards. What's up, Alex? Do comics that are manga style have a name? Like, not manga? I'm not sure. Reading it now. Shin-chan! I have no clue what the story's about. All I know is that Shin-chan's the kid with the red shirt. Like, cause my parents and everybody else, like every other adult knows about Shin-chan, and so I do too. But I haven't actually like taken time out of my day to see what it was about. I really hope my Marisa Fumo like arrives tomorrow. I really hope so, cause that'd be very cool. Well, I've been waiting on her so that Reimu has somebody to be with rather than by herself. Cause it's kind of cruel with just her. Like it's like kind of cruel with forcing her to be here without even company. You feel me? Her only company is Miku. So I hope Marissa arrives tomorrow. No, obviously manga looks good so far. Well, what do you call this then? What do we call this? Cause it's in the style of manga, and you read it from right to left, but it's produced in the Philippines. Also, what is pop literature? Like, what does that mean? Like, I still don't get what pop means in music, so I really don't get what it means in literature as well. Cause I've seen it a lot in bookstores. Baby, do you know what it's like to die? To see the sparkle fade from inside your eye. Alright, good night, Marshall. pom-pom crab which enslaved sea anemones. That's very cool. That's pretty cool. Limbus Company got popular. I mean, I feel like Limbus Company is pretty popular now. What was I gonna do? Fuck. Oh, eyebrows. Chasing down a sense of infamy. Cadmium red is the brown, is the ground beneath. Cadmium orange, everything I see. Bro, I don't know if it's common here to have a car, but one of my classmates has one. I don't know if that's common, but like, that was pretty cool. Baby, do you know what it's like to die? To see the sparkle fade from inside your eye. I keep a bullet in the chamber mocking me. Oh, shit. A choker as well? Damn. Choker. Low-key, I'd want one too, though, if I'm being honest. It's very fashionable. I would get one too. If I had like the right fit on. Chokers are very fashionable. Oh, no, fuck. You keep doing that. Fuck. Chasing down a sense of infamy. Baby, do you know what it's like to die? See the sparkle fade from inside your eye.
Assalamu alaikum.
What's up, Nolan? Bap. What was that? I just remember that, like, bap. Oh, that was the dude playing Mario Party. And he had, like, I think it was Boo. And then the program just said bap. Like, it didn't record his voice at all. I hate this. Something that you want from me. Cadmium red is the ground beneath. Cadmium orange, everything. What?
Bebop and Rocksteady.
What's Leslie talking about? I don't think I.
Hello guys, how's everyone doing today in this fine night?
5 nights at Freddy's? Is that what you said? I feel like that's what you said. Is that what you said? That is what you said. Now we're doing like pretty good. I'm at my house. I'm not like at my sister's location or anything. I'm by myself in my room. That was so forced, man. I like, it was pretty good. Nah, not good at all. That's so forced.
Oh well.
Oh well. Oh fuck! I hate this. Oh fuck! I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. It's fine. It's good enough. Nah, I don't like good enough. I want good. Uh, this. Welcome back, Liz.
Just lying down RN and have to get something done but lazy.
Alright.
Nice progress.
Thank you. Alright. Quick. Really quickly.
Cowabunga.
I'm gonna steal this from your goat, Doug. 5-minute coding adventure. Alright, time to code. I've been itching. I've been itching to code. Yo, am I stupid? I think I'm stupid because look, it says I don't have a compiler, but I do. I think. Yeah, I think I might be dumb. Oh, ah. How do I run this? I forgot how to. I think I'm dumb. How do you run this again? I forgot. I forgot how to do anything. Let's see.
Welcome to Amazing Digital Adventure.
Oh, why does this have... I think I might be dumb.
Imagine
I
if
am
Snow
dumb.
lives in a cave.
Thank you, Lo-Fi. Uh, yeah, I probably do live in a cave because I have no fucking clue why this. Yo, Liz, can you help me out? All right, new file. Like, no, new folder. We call this project. New folder, right? Uh, fuck this. I guess. No. No. Run and debug.
Will Snow fight
Oh, is this
Goliath?
it? Do I just do that and then it'll work? Okay. Can I? Yeah, no. No. Ah, no. Shit. Yes. No. No. Uh, how do I move
Tech
this
support.
out of tech support? Can we please call in tech support, please? Oh. Oh. Yes. Where the fuck? Ah, it's here. Yes. Select folder. Yes. I'm so smart.
Yes.
So smart. All right. Jack and boy, the screen so small. Oh, my bad. Alright, let's go here then. Is that fine? I'm sorry you guys are gonna have to be gone for a sec, but we're doing some good coding. I'm gonna be small for a sec. Okay. C++, of course, that's what we need.
Snow, did you download all necessary extension to run C?
Probably not. I mean, I had it working. Like, I can still run the shit and it'll still work in the terminal. Where is the terminal actually? Oh, there. Nice. C++, right? Ah, fuck. Ah. I'm just gonna do, like, you guys can coach me on this, but I'll only do stuff that I know about, alright? I'm not gonna do, like, if you, like, tell me, oh, this is more efficient and this is how you actually do it, I can't do that if I don't know it. But if I do know it, I can do it. That's like the rule. That's like the rule, right? Okay. Uh, let's see. Oops, too far. Okay. Fuck, I still can't run it. Yeah, yeah, see? I'm so the song exists. Open launch Jason. Oh, oh, ah. Yes, yes. Fuck. Wait, we got it. We got it. We got it. We got it. Wait. I didn't miss it. What was it? What is it? What's it? What do we do? What do we do? Oh no. What? How do we fix? How do we fix? How do we fix? Oh, shit. That's not what I meant to press. Oh, that's inordinate. Wait, my bad, my bad. I thought that was you. Hello, hello. I'm not, unfortunately, we're not creating art today. Unfortunately, we're making whatever I am doing. Okay, how do we, cause look. How do we do this? Where you see me, by the way, inordinate. I don't know how this works. Ah, how to see? Fuck me. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. Here's what we're gonna do. Okay, since I can't get this to work, here's what we're gonna do. Okay, I'm gonna go here, right? Oh, you saw me coding things on YouTube. Well, I'm not good. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, we go here, right? Right, look. I don't know why it's saying that I can't run when it clearly can. Look, probably. It loaded everything. Oh, that's it. See, look, it can do the calculations. Uh-huh. So I don't know why. Okay, no, we don't know what we're doing. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna copy this, right? Okay, we're gonna paste it here. Okay, and then we're gonna open this, right? This is what we're gonna open. This is where we're gonna work. We'll delete this thing. Then we'll fuck everything up. Oh shit, no, that's not what I meant to do. Oh fuck you. Okay, everything gone. Delete that shit. Oh shit. Okay, and now we can probably work this, but I really want to change the name. So we'll try and change the name of it. All right. You got your lava. Shit, 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 shit. Yes. Okay, now we'll jack and point. And if what I'm thinking is correct, then that's Edgar Allan Poe. This should still work, probably. Leslie, can you help me? Okay, nice. It's good. It's good. We're good. We're good. See, my problem is, or was, look, listen. Uh, I can try. You should inordate, probably. Okay, this, right? Oh, no, no. Right, look, if I create a new file, it won't run because it says there's no debugger for it. And I managed to create this, an executable file, and I think that's how we run the thing. So how do I create that exe file? So let's say we'll make a new thing, right? And we'll select C++, right? And then how do I get this to run? Liz. I don't know anything about Visual Studio Code. I just took it because it looks good. Cause look, the things are so pretty. Not the things, like the letters are so pretty, right? Look, using your compiler, but what? What? Oh yeah, look, cannot build and debug because it's not an active C++ source file. Yeah, look, I can't do anything like this. How do I, how do I, how do I be able to run this? Look, this one has an executable, and this one has an executable. How do we run this? There's extensions. Like this? No, it's already here. Look. It's not that I can't get a C++ program to run. It's that I can't it's that I can't get the exe file to show your process. Let me see. How do oh yeah, here. Everything here. Bam, 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 bam. And that, like, basically everything here is just to make things more beautiful. I don't know about these though. I just use these because they seem cool, I think. I need a debugger. But I do have a debugger, I think. Maybe. I mean, we can just like let this all go. Cause I already have the thing here working. Look, this thing's already working. There's like, yeah, look, it's already good. Like that was just me trying to find out the problem. Okay, so what do we need to do? All right, let's load up a new file. Oh shit. No. We'll call this. We'll call this like step guide, or I think we call this an algorithm. All right, we'll use the one that doesn't like. Is there a text file here, like a note file that I could use? I know there was one that I used that didn't like mess with. I think it's like I forgot it was. Yeah, let's use plain text. I think plain text could be good. All right. So what do we want? This is for Jack and Poi. Okay, what are the mechanics that we want? Okay. Okay. So first, uh, mechanics. Okay, I want to be able to play rock, paper, paper, scissors. Next, I want to be able to fight multiple enemies. The random verb. Okay. Next, I want to be able to like as in diff enemies. Next, I want to be able to what was I talking about? I want to be able to have 3 lives. Have lives, of course. We need lives. I want a final boss. And I want that's basically all I want for now. And so we need what do we need here? Well, we need lives, obviously. We want a final we want different enemies. So the enemies I think can be in an array maybe? All right, so how do we randomize the enemies? Adding on adding on to that, how do we randomize their attacks? To, hey, I know how to use this now. Scissors. Okay, these are like the basic 2 ones that we need. Because if we get these, then we can do this, and this is just easy mode, and we can do that. Okay, while loop based on lives. Yeah, that's pretty good. Okay, I know I did it before. I don't think I saved it. Oh, you'll see my chats if I do that. Ah, shit. What are we gonna do? Right. Uh, I want to make a function to pick enemies. Hold on. I'm trying to like apply everything that I know. Because I know there's a library for like adding randomness to things. I don't know how to do it though. I could probably look it up later on to be able to fight different enemies. Oh, I should probably like make a function for this. Like, hmm. I'm using my noggin here, and I can't really think properly. I can do this. I can do this. Not int. Hmm. Yeah, I would want a return value, right? Fight. What do we call the function? Fight decider. Fight calc. We'll call it fight calc. What we'll need for the fight calc is the player. Nope. This. Nope. Ah, yeah, string player decision and the string. No. I think we just need. Oh, we need the string enemy type probably. Okay, I'll just finish doing the fight calc for now, I think. Can I even do this? Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Probably. If win. Nope. We'll like what do you call that? Win or lose? Like fight uh and fight outcome. We'll just call it that. Okay, if player player decision is equal to rock or oh that's correct. Player player decision integer would be enough. Could just switch between attacks. No, it's like a one I want to be able to play rock, paper, scissors with my enemies. That's just what I want to do. Oh no, it's fine, it's fine. I just want to be able to play rock, paper, scissors with my enemies. Okay. Equal to rock. Then what will happen? Oh, I could put. Do I put these in like inside? Cause like, oh, I don't know how to do this actually. Cause it would require. it'd require me to put in a function inside of another function, and I still don't know how to do that. I don't know how to do this yet. Because my professor said it was possible, but I don't know how to do that. Low key, yeah. I think the function syntax void. Wait, what? What are you? Wait, I'm sorry. I don't know what you're talking about. Okay, let's say for example, I'll make a function. Let's say this. Oh no, not string. Void. No, no, no. How do we return function C++ as return type as string? How do we get the string? Yeah, how to return a string from a C++? What would we do? Do we just call it string? Is that just what we need? Okay, okay, nice, nice. So let's say this, like string. Can you actually do this? I'm not sure. Enemy decision. Like I know I think like it'll gonna work. Enemy type, right? And then oops, string enemy type. Okay. And I think that's all I need. Return enemy decision. We can just call it that probably. String enemy decision. Yes. Okay, so let's say this, right? Wait, koala's here? Hello, koala. Okay, so let's say this. Let's just get rid of this for now. Okay, so here we'll also have another function called enemy decider. Enemy decider, right? Definitely, because I want to make it so that it like loops until, and I want to make it so that things aren't like long. Like I want to use functions in the thing, just like a real programmer would probably. I'm not sure. I don't think it needs parameters. Okay, I don't know. I'm not sure to make a class. I don't even know what classes are. Okay, so let's say this. I decided the enemy is like rock golem. Let's say that. And so I'll put in here that I'll call the enemy decider, and the enemy decider says that it's a rock golem. So the enemy type would be a rock golem, and then we'll call the enemy decision an enemy class would be smart. What are C++ class? Like I don't know what this is, so I can't use it yet because I still don't know how to do it. Oh, it's an object-oriented program. Oh no, that's the C++. You define data type that acts as a blueprint. Oh, it's basically like a custom variable, right? Oh, it's a custom variable. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, so I'll class rock golem. Is that what we're gonna do? And then class bam bam. And then I'll put their decisions inside of this, and then we'll just call them. Oh, oh. So we don't even need these. We need this, but we don't need this because we just gotta decide the enemy and then we can call the class that we want. You would not do a class rock golem. You would do just an enemy thing, like class enemy. Is that what we're gonna do? Okay, okay. You would do enemy and then create an instance that is rock golem. Oh, so basically they're all inside of one class. And then what is it? Ah, so much I don't know about. What is AI? Nah, I would never. Nah, I'm kidding. I would always never. I cannot read any of this. Ah, so it's like, but just an instance is an object inside of a class. So yeah, yeah, that's what we need. So we'll just call the class to decide the enemies. I don't know. I don't know. We'll not call the class. Like we'll like decide the enemies, and then the things are inside. Like their own decisions are inside of the instances that we make, and then we'll just put the instance. Can we do that? Can we like put the instance inside of here, and then we'll calculate who wins, and after we do, we can like do that again. Is am I getting that correctly? Am I like summing that up? Because the last one I made of this, like the last one, the last iteration of this game that I made was just, I think Lizzie was there, but she probably forgot. It was basically all just while loops and if loops, like all inside of each other, and I couldn't even replay it. I couldn't like I couldn't have like a final. I mean, I could have a final boss, but it was basically just a one-time thing, you know? Like after you do that, you just start the program again, you know? And if I wanted to add more levels, I would just make the code longer and longer and longer because it was like 500 lines before, I think. Give in the decision. The fuck is this? That's not what I meant. Like give? Like give? But the class is when it gives an attack decision. Mm. Oh, give. Oh, that's what you meant. Oh, I don't know. He is? Let's go, dude. Okay, well, that's like pretty much everything I wanted to do for now. I want to like rough it out, and then we'll see what works and what doesn't. And yeah, I'm it's hard to explain. It's fine. We can do it. I can probably. That's fine. Without libraries, that's the best one. Oh, we can do this without adding any new stuff. Wait, that's pretty cool. All right. Well, that's gonna be time, gamers. I'm gonna see y'all on the next one. Thanks for tuning in. That was some good art and some good programming. I'll probably like learn more about classes and stuff when the time comes. Oh, it seems so cool though. It feels like it'll optimize everything way more if I do it that way that you guys are saying. All right, I'm gonna see y'all next time. I'm gonna be reading. What am I gonna be reading? I might read some Wild and Horned Hermit for real. All right. Good night. Bow bow.